For some time there has been some concerns in reference to Moog having the parts manufactured in China. And there has been some misconceptions in reference to the quality that Moog used to provide. For a long time in the automotive technician field, Moog has been known as one of the places to go for suspension and steering parts. Moog has a line that's called Problem Solver, and where most of the confusion has come from is relating to the brand Moog. As you can see, they state in their About page, Moog has a reputation as the problem solver that can be traced all the way back to 1937. I did get in touch with Moog and questioned them in reference to having their parts manufactured in China. Now they replied by their parts are manufactured in North America, Europe, and Asia. And according to them, the CK line and the Problem Solver line is manufactured in the Boise, Alabama plant. Now, if you get into parts at your local store, obviously you can see by looking at the box what the part is manufactured. But I asked them if there's a way to tell if you order online where the part is coming from. They said the best way to tell is by looking at the description. If it says Problem Solver, then most likely it's coming from the Boise, Alabama plant. But they left it open where most likely it can also come from anywhere else, including China. Now, a lot of confusion is coming that I noticed online is from people buying the RK line. The RK line is a value line that Moog came up with so they can compete with the other lower price brands. It is not the Problem Solver line that people think they're purchasing. So you can see where the confusion is coming from, where people purchase the part because they see the name Moog. Now, to summarize, if you purchasing the part online and you see CK before the number, or you see Problem Solver in the description, then most likely the part will come from the Boise, Alabama plant. But there's no guarantee. So if anybody has received a Problem Solver part, please comment and let us know the part number and the location where the Problem Solver part is coming from.